Welcome to Fixit Design, where we transform your spaces with style and functionality. Today, we're diving into some of the most chic and elegant home decor ideas that you can easily incorporate to elevate the look and feel of your home. From sleek modern touches to timeless classics, let's create a space you'll love. 1. Entrance hallway design. Let's start with your home's first impression, the entrance. A simple console table paired with a statement mirror instantly adds elegance. Add a minimalist art piece and some fresh flowers for a welcoming vibe. Don't forget lighting, a stylish lamp or pendant light makes a huge difference. 2. Living room chic design. For the living room, think neutral tones with pops of metallic or color. A large, comfortable sofa with soft throw pillows sets the tone. Layer your space with a beautiful area rug and accent chairs to add texture and warmth. Mirrors or framed art elevate the chic factor while making the room feel more spacious. 3. Dining area elegance. Now for the dining area, a bold chandelier can transform the room into a statement of elegance. Pair it with a sleek dining table, luxurious seating, and a tasteful centerpiece to tie everything together. 4. Chic bedroom decor. The bedroom is all about serenity and luxury. Go for high-quality bedding in soft hues. Layering with throws and decorative pillows adds a cozy, yet elegant look. Consider a feature wall behind the bed, maybe with chic wallpaper or textured paneling, to enhance the room's sophistication. 5. Elegant bathroom makeover. Don't forget the bathroom. Simple upgrades like marble accents, stylish faucets, and a large vanity mirror create a luxurious feel. Outro. These chic and elegant home decor ideas can transform any space into a stylish and welcoming sanctuary. With the right touches, your home can feel like it's straight out of a magazine. Don't forget to subscribe to Fixit Design for more design inspiration, and let us know in the comments which idea was your favorite.